Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A beautifully designed modern outdoor lounge set within a lush, tranquil garden. The space is defined by a sleek pergola structure made of dark metal framing and horizontal wooden slats, creating a balance of shade and sunlight that filters softly through the roof and walls. Inside the pergola, a comfortable L-shaped sofa with neutral-toned cushions surrounds a low, round wicker coffee table, offering a cozy and stylish spot for relaxation. The wooden deck flooring complements the overall natural aesthetic, blending seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. Around the seating area, the garden is landscaped with a mix of vibrant plants, soft grasses, and small flowering shrubs, adding texture and color to the serene environment. The design combines contemporary architecture with natural beauty, creating an inviting retreat perfect for lounging, reading, or enjoying quiet moments outdoors. A serene backyard garden featuring a beautiful koi pond surrounded by natural stone and lush greenery. The pond is designed with a small waterfall that adds a soothing sound of flowing water, creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Colorful koi fish swim gracefully beneath the surface, adding life and movement to the scene. Above the pond stands a dark wooden pergola that provides partial shade and structure, giving the space a cozy, intimate feeling. The surrounding plants, including broadleaf greenery and flowering vines, enhance the natural charm and tranquility of the garden. A black wooden fence encloses the area, offering privacy while complementing the modern yet rustic aesthetic of the design. Overall, the setting exudes calm and harmony, an ideal outdoor retreat for relaxation, reflection, or simply enjoying nature's quiet beauty. A cozy outdoor terrace designed in a bohemian and rustic style. The space features a handmade macrame hammock hanging between wooden beams, inviting relaxation amidst lush greenery and blooming pink bougainvillea flowers. The natural stone wall and bamboo ceiling add a warm, earthy charm, while string lights draped overhead create a soft and romantic ambience. A wooden bench with colorful cushions sits beside a small round table holding a refreshing drink, completing the laid-back atmosphere. The patterned rug on the stone floor adds a vibrant touch, bringing together comfort and artistry. Surrounded by plants and natural textures, this charming corner feels like a peaceful tropical retreat, perfect for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. A beautifully designed modern outdoor lounge area surrounded by lush greenery. The focal point is a sleek pergola with a black metal frame and wooden slatted roof, creating a balance between shade and sunlight. Underneath the pergola sits a cozy seating area with dark gray cushioned sofas and ottomans, perfect for relaxing or socializing. Hanging plants and climbing vines add a refreshing natural touch, blending the structure seamlessly into the garden setting. The wooden deck extends into a small patio with elegant, curved lounge chairs and a patterned outdoor rug. Around the space, well-maintained plants, shrubs, and flowers bring vibrant color and life to the scene. The overall atmosphere is peaceful and inviting, a perfect blend of modern design and nature's tranquility. A cozy and inviting outdoor patio area illuminated beautifully in the evening. The centerpiece is a wooden pergola with warm lighting, creating a soft, welcoming glow. Beneath it, there's a comfortable dining setup featuring a dark metal table and cushioned chairs, perfect for outdoor meals or gatherings. To the side, a built-in stainless steel grill is integrated into a stone counter, enhancing the space with a practical barbecue area. The patio is elevated with light stone steps and surrounded by neatly arranged plants, flowers, and natural rocks that add a touch of charm. Overhead, string lights hang gracefully, contributing to the relaxed and intimate atmosphere. The setting combines natural wood tones, soft lighting, and lush greenery to form a perfect backyard retreat for evening entertainment and relaxation. A stunning modern glass patio enclosure surrounded by lush greenery. The structure features a sleek black metal frame with transparent glass walls and a glass roof, allowing natural light to flood the space while maintaining a seamless connection with nature. Inside, a cozy seating area includes a light-colored sectional sofa, a woven rug, and a stylish glass-top coffee table decorated with plants and fruit. The surrounding garden is filled with vibrant green plants and colorful flowers, creating a tranquil and refreshing atmosphere. The combination of natural textures, wooden decking, soft furnishings, and the transparency of glass makes this space a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. It's an ideal spot for relaxation, reading, or enjoying a peaceful moment in a private garden oasis. A tranquil tropical outdoor setting featuring a cozy hammock suspended beneath a rustic wooden pergola. The pergola is constructed from natural timber and covered with bamboo slats, allowing sunlight to filter softly through, casting dappled shadows on the stone-paved floor below. Surrounding the area is lush tropical greenery, large banana leaves, palm trees, and vibrant plants in various shades of green and red, creating a serene jungle-like atmosphere. In the background, a thatched roof hut adds to the tropical charm, evoking a sense of island relaxation. The overall scene exudes peace and natural beauty, offering a perfect retreat for rest, meditation, or simply enjoying the sounds of nature in a private tropical paradise. A modern outdoor living space that combines comfort, style, and functionality. At the center of the area is a sleek rectangular fire pit surrounded by contemporary lounge chairs and cushioned seating, creating a cozy gathering spot for evening relaxation. The structure above features a black metal frame with a warm wooden ceiling and string lights hanging underneath, adding a soft and inviting glow to the space. In the background, there is a built-in outdoor kitchen with a stainless steel grill and countertop, perfect for cooking and entertaining guests. Lush greenery and minimalist landscaping enhance the overall ambience, with plants neatly arranged around concrete paths and grassy sections. The clean lines, neutral color palette, and integration of natural materials give the space a sophisticated yet welcoming feel, ideal for both social gatherings and peaceful evenings outdoors. A beautifully designed modern outdoor seating area surrounded by lush greenery. The space is enclosed by a sleek metal frame structure with glass sliding doors, creating a sense of openness while maintaining a defined boundary. Inside, comfortable armchairs with neutral-colored cushions are arranged around small coffee tables, inviting relaxation and conversation. The wooden deck flooring adds warmth and natural contrast to the contemporary design. Potted plants, including flowering shrubs and trimmed bushes, are neatly arranged around the perimeter, enhancing the tranquil and refreshing atmosphere. Vertical wooden slats and a green wall in the background add texture and harmony, blending architecture seamlessly with nature. designed modern outdoor lounge area featuring a wooden pergola with clean, contemporary lines. Beneath the pergola sits a cozy L-shaped sofa with plush neutral cushions, creating a comfortable space for relaxation. In front of the seating area, there is a sleek, low-fire pit that serves as the centerpiece, adding warmth and ambience to the setting. To the side, a vertical wood storage rack filled with neatly stacked logs adds both practicality and rustic charm. Behind the sofa, a long, built-in gas fireplace set against vertical wooden slats provides a stylish focal point and enhances the cozy atmosphere. The flooring combines smooth concrete slabs with strips of grass, leading out to a gravel garden surrounded by lush greenery and manicured shrubs. Overall, the space harmoniously blends natural materials like wood and stone with modern design elements, creating a serene, elegant, and inviting outdoor retreat perfect for evening gatherings or peaceful relaxation.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.